In this video, don't forget to remember something and a complete battery replacement tutorial with the tools you need as well as specs on the replacement battery. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal first, and if you'd like to know why, then by all means pause this video and click on the link somewhere on the screen here. This little connector might make removal difficult, so we'll disconnect it later. Next is the positive, and seeing how close that negative was to accidental contact while making this video, it might be worth wrapping it in a rag. Remove the insulating sleeve and get a 10mm socket and extension ready. We're going to get to the bottom of this. The retaining bracket you're looking for is this one here. Now the current sensor connector can be removed just by a bit of pressure on the release pin. No tools needed. Unfortunately, I didn't get a close-up of this, but you'll figure it out. Now the old battery can be removed, but there are two more things I'd like to share, so don't go anywhere. This is not one of them, but clean off any corrosion with a steel wire brush or baking soda and water while you have a chance. Install the new battery and retaining brackets. The trick is here to make sure it goes under this lip. I hope this video has helped you so far. So if you like these videos, please support our channel by hitting that subscribe button below the video. If you have already, thank you for your support. Now the first thing to remember to not forget is to fit the insulating sleeve before connecting the terminals. You'll thank me later. Now connect the positive terminal first. And then the negative terminal last. Instead of slamming the terminals into place with force, rather use a big flat screwdriver to extend the terminals while pushing it down. This prevents damage to the lead posts as well as potential internal damage to the battery. The last thing I wanted to share was the specs on this battery. This 80 amp hour AGM comes with 800 cranking amps, but you can use these dimensions as a reference for the maximum size. There were also no warning messages on the cluster after installation. But we're not done just yet. Now that you've spent all this money on a new battery, you'll want to know how to make it last as long as possible. So go and watch this one quickly.